Power Network has awakened me up from a grave that I didn't know I was lying in. My name is Tiffany Graham, and I am a single mom, and I hail from the great city of Atlanta, Georgia. And my Empower Network journey over the last 4 months has been phenomenal. I have met so many people who have really touched my life, and I've been able to wake up and learn some stuff about myself that I didn't even realize. And it's just even so more important to be able to have a business that I can truly do from home, and I can also bring my children and make them involved too in the process. I mean, you got to think about it. How many times, mom, do you have to try to figure out how do we get a babysitter? Who's going to do this? Who's going to do that? But everything we do here, we can do it from the comfort of our home. You don't have to run around, going to home meetings. Everything is done here from the comfort of my home. And it's just easy. It's simple. And you need to get involved right now because opportunities like this don't come around too often. So get in where you fit in. This is a business built for each and every single type of person. I dare you to try to make an excuse why you can't join. Click on the link below.